guys, today we'll be making an adorable fall candle holder. What you will need, I have an 8-inch wreath ring, ribbon in different styles and widths, and I have cut those into 6-inch long pieces. You can go with as many or as few as you prefer. Chanel stems, which I have cut into thirds. 6-inch deco mesh, which I have cut into 8-inch long pieces. And scissors. Now you do have the option of making the candle holder with only ribbon or with only mesh. I have done so and both look great. It just depends on personal preference. But this time I'm going to mix the two together. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is take 2 pieces of my mesh and roll it into a cute little curl. Once I have my 2 pieces in the curl, I'm going to crisscross them, one on top of the other. And then I'm going to start adding my ribbon. So then I'm going to take 1 piece of ribbon and place it at a diagonal. And I'm going with 2 pieces of mesh in each bundle and 3 pieces of ribbon. And I'm just crisscrossing all of them together, the mesh and the ribbon. Scrunch it all together. Take my stem and twist it couple of times, and then just flare out and adjust my mesh and my ribbon. So cute and precious. So it's just personal preference. You could even use wider ribbon. If you want to go with 2-inch wide ribbon, you can do so as well. The possibilities are endless. So that's 1 bundle, and I'm just going to repeat this same step, and I'm going to add 3 bundles to each of my 3 sections. Okay, and scrunch. Take my stem and twist it. I'm just alternating the printed pieces as well. Alright, so I have all of my bundles made. They look so cute and precious. And now I'm just going to take my stem and attach it to the center wreath ring. Sometimes I go with outer, inner, outer, inner. Outer, inner will make it like a wider candle holder, or say you can go with the outer ring if you want to put like a wider bowl or anything like that. So I'm going to take my bundle and place it on the center ring, twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure, and then tuck it away. So cute and precious. And then the more bundles you get placed, the more you'll be able to kind of adjust and maneuver it. Right now it's moving a little more, but that's okay. So you can adjust and maneuver it the more bundles you have in place. It's looking so cute and precious already. Once you have all of your bundles in place, you can adjust and maneuver it. I'm just twisting the bundle so that I have a little more space in the center for my candle. So cute and precious. And for the finishing touch, our adorable candles. It smells so good, you guys. And I kind of want to adjust it so you can see the name of the candle. That way, in case someone comes over and they really like it, they can see what scent it is. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. So I feel like these candle holders and candles are the perfect finishing touch for your fall decor. Another option, if you'd like, is having 2 candles in your centerpiece. So if you want to kind of have fun and mix and play with the scents and kind of blend them together, you can definitely add 2 candles to your centerpiece. I love mixing scents, so I think it's awesome when I can mix 2 scents together in one candle holder.